How to unblock contacts on iPhone. First is by opening your settings and then scroll down until you can see phone right here. Click on phone and scroll down once again and look for blocked contacts right here. Once you're in blocked contacts, you may be able to see all of the blocked contacts that you have. In order for you to delete the blocked contacts, simply click on edit right here and click on the minus button on the leftmost part and click on unblock. You may also just simply swipe left like this one and click on unblock right here. So again, you should go to phone on settings, scroll down and look for blocked contacts. You may swipe left or click on edit and click on the minus button and click on unblock. So that's it. That's how you can unblock contacts on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.